guys, my science experiment is an explosion of colors. I'm going to show you some exciting and unusual things that happen when you mix a little bit of milk, food coloring, and a drop of liquid soap. This experiment will uncover the scientific secrets of soap. Materials needed are milk fat content like whole fat and 2% fat, water, dinner plates, food coloring of different colors, dishwashing soap, and cotton swabs. I'm going to start my experiment with water. Let's see what happens. First I'm going to put water in the plate, then get food coloring, squared it near the middle. Now I'm going to take my cotton swab and put it right in the middle. It made one movement, but not much. I'm going to do the same thing with 2% milk. So I'm going to get my cotton swab and dip it right in the middle. You see, I'm not moving it at all. It's doing this explosion. I'm going to put it right here. Now I'm going to do the same thing with whole milk. I'm going to get my cotton swab and put it right in the middle. And as you can see, same thing happened with this 2% milk. I'm not moving my hand at all. Oh, now it's making this big explosion. The color is like dancing around. As you can see, I left it here and it's still going. Same with this one here. It got a burst of color, but with the water it didn't make anything. Just big spots. Why do we see more explosion of the colors in the full fat versus the 2% milk and water? The answer is milk is mostly water, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, proteins, and tiny droplets of fat suspended in the solution. Not all milk has the same amount of fat, but how can we tell the difference? With this color-changing milk experiment, we can use the dish soap to look at different amount of fat in the milk, as the fats and proteins are sensitive to the changes in the milk. The food coloring in the whole milk plate moved the fastest because the dish soap bonded tightly with the fat in the milk. The bond is so strong that water and the food coloring are pushed out. Everything else has to dance out of the way to make room for the dish soap and the fat bond. Since there is less fat in 2% milk, we did not see that much movement. In the plate with water, the dish soap has no fat bond with, so the food coloring isn't pushed away other than the first dance. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my experiment.